Hello everyone, how are you feeling today? Today I'm really excited because I'm gonna go through some challenges. I have 6 stations with 6 colors and 6 different kinds of toys. Oh, we have, alright, I cannot look. I need to read it in here. Alright, first challenge. You need to find the red station and solve the puzzle. Alright, let's find the red station. Blue, no. Green, no. Yellow, no. Purple, no. Where's the red one? Oh, black, no. I need to find the red one. Where's the red? Oh, red. Found it. Right, I'm at the red station. I need to hurry up. Let's do this. All right.
Come on, you can do it.
No. Next one. Right, next one. Oh no. So we have the crocodile, the lion, and now the panda bear. Right. Okay. Faster. Oh, I need to be really fast. Okay. Right. Oh no. Oh, ta-da! I'm done with the puzzle. No. We have the crocodile, the lion, and the panda. The red station. Check. All right. Next one. Find the yellow station and create the biggest ice cream ever. All right. Let's find the yellow station. Green, blue. Oh, I remembered. Here it is. Yellow station. All right, the biggest ice cream in the world. I'll choose the normal cone, and I'll have some coconut with caramel and chocolate bits. Some coconut now with some chocolate with marshmallows and caramel.
That's
some
delicious.
Mint with chocolate. Strawberry. Ooh. Oh no.
Yummy.
I need to be really careful because I need to create the biggest ice cream in the world. Vanilla. Oh, no. Caramel. I need to focus. Chocolate. Ooh.
Uh-oh.
All right, and now the toppings. Let's see if no. Just stay put. Bit of caramel. Bit of, oh no, strawberry sauce. All right. Okay. What else? Some chocolate sauce. Sprinkles. Chocolate sprinkles. And the last one, some cream with a cherry on top. And I just created it, the biggest ice cream in the world. Alright, let's put the ice cream back. Alright, I'm done with the yellow station. Yellow station, check. Now find the green station and kick the ball 20 times. Alright, let's find the green station. We had the yellow, purple, the blue, we had the red, black. The green station, and there's the ball right there. Alright, 20 kicks. Alright. Alright, let's do this. 20 kicks. 1, 2. Oh no. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I need to go again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20! Ah! I made it! Woohoo! 20 kicks in the ball! And I'm done with the green station. Green station, check. Now, find the blue station and create the best sandwich in the world.
Yummy!
Purple, black, done that. Blue station right in front of me. And here we are at the sandwich station. We need some bread. Alright, some bread with a bit of ham, some cheese, tomato, cucumbers, and a bit of salad.
Yummy!
And maybe some more cheese. What about some more cheese? And this shall be the greatest and the perfect sandwich in the world. So much fun! All right. Can I have a cookie?
Oh yeah!
I would like to have a cookie as well. Oh no, time is precious. I know. All right. So the blue station, check. All right. Find the black station and identify all the sports for all those balls. I wonder what that is. Anyway, let's find the black station. And all right, so in here I have 4 balls. I need to identify all the sports for all these balls. First one, the tennis ball. Woo! Second one, what sport is this? Basketball. Woo! Next one, the baseball. And the last one, the football. All right. So the black station, check. Basketball, tennis ball, baseball, and football. All right. And the last one. Find the purple station and build the tower. All right, let's find the purple station.
Hooray!
Here it is. Now let's build the tower. All right.
Oh yeah!
Not everybody would have done this thing. Not everybody would help me out. Not everybody would be my
Ta-da! Purple station, check. And here I have the tower, and all the challenges are completed for today. Oh, I'm a bit tired. But first, tidy up.